number 1. Drug of choice for treatment of mycoplasma infection. Tetracycline, erythromycin A and B, penicillin. Correct answer is option A. Option C, A and B. Tetracycline and erythromycin drug used for treatment of mycoplasma infection. Question number 2. A number of viruses are known to infect mycoplasma called bacteriophage, mycoplasmaphage, virions, tiny strains. Correct answer is option B, mycoplasmaphage. Question number 3. The following are true about rickettsia. Unicellular organism, prokaryotic intracellular parasite, presence of 70S ribosome, it causes hemolysis in human beings. Correct answer is option C, presence of 70S ribosome. Question number 4. The causative agent of scrub typhus. Correct answer is option C, R. Ordnitalis. Question number 5. Lymphogranuloma venereum LGV is a sexually transmitted disease caused by. Correct answer is option C, C. Trichomatis. Question number 6. Intradermal test employed for diagnosis of LGV is. Correct answer is option A, Frey test. Question number 7. Which algae is pathogenic to human? Prototheca. Question number 8. Erythromycin is obtained from. Correct answer is option D, S. erythroerythraeus. Question number 9. Common cold is caused by adenovirus, coronavirus, hepatitis virus, pox virus. Correct answer is option B, coronavirus. Question number 10. The causative agent of conjunctivitis. Adenovirus, coronavirus, paramyxovirus, none of these. Correct answer is option A, adenovirus. Question number 11. Antibiotic used for treatment of cholera are tetracycline, penicillin, streptomycin, none of the. Correct answer is tetracycline is used for the treatment of cholera. Question number 12. Salmonella typhi is causative organism of undulant fever, remittent fever, dengue fever, enteric fever. Correct answer is option D, enteric fever. Question number 30. Which of the following Salmonella paratyphi is the commonest in India? A, B, C, none of the above. Correct answer is option A. Salmonella paratyphi is A. Typhi A, common in India. Question number 40. The enteric fever, the organ lodging maximum number of organism is liver, gallbladder, small intestine, large intestine. Correct answer is option B, gallbladder. Question number 50. True about enteric fever is bacteremia in a first week, carrier in 90%, all serotypes cause the disease, rosy spot on 80 day. Correct answer is option A, bacteremia in the first week. Question number 60. Gastroenteritis is caused by Shigella, Vibrio cholera, parahenolyticus, else typhi. Correct answer is option C, Vibrio cholera, parahenolyticus. Question number 70. E. coli produce the following toxin: enterotoxin, endotoxin, verocytotoxin, hemolysin. Correct answer is option B, endotoxin. Question number 18. The following infection caused by Escherichia coli except urinary tract infection, septic infection of wounds, diarrhea, meningitis. Correct answer is meningitis infection is not caused by Escherichia coli. Question number 90. Diphtheria is caused by Corynebacterium diphtheria, Corynebacterium bovis, Corynebacterium jejunum, Corynebacterium equi. Correct answer is option A, Corynebacterium diphtheria. Question number 20. Causative organism of diphtheria was first demonstrated by. Correct answer is option C, Klebs and Loeffler.